Hey guys, Jarvis here again. So I was getting ready for a hockey game tonight. I gotta leave in a few minutes and I just noticed I'm missing a rivet. So just thought I'd do a quick update again as to how easy and quick these can be. Now not every time are they gonna be super easy, but it's still quicker than going to the sports store. So first things first, I'm gonna tape this blade up so I don't hurt myself. Okay, I'm gonna go into my kit here. This is just a kit of a bunch of different ones I got made up. Give this a quick file. Okay. Find a screw. I'm gonna try a short one. Typically these back ones like long ones, but let's see if we can get a short one in there today. Let's see. Give it a good little push. Get a screw or a nut on there, sorry. Now, because I used a short one here, I probably wasn't going to be able to start it with the washer on and then a nut. So I'm going to use the nut. I'll suck the prongs deep and then I'll back it off and put the washer on after. Okay, so that looks like that's probably good. Try and get that washer on there now. See if we can get that started. I'm just going to tighten until it's sucked tight and there's no more movement. Okay, sucked in there tight. Tighten that boot right up. And honestly guys, it's that quick. Saved me a trip to the sports store, kept me in the game. Thanks for watching.